So let's open our books to page number 55, right? So we have already started the chapter Introduction to Paint, and we have learned about how to start Paint on your computer. There are 4 steps to it. Click on the Start button, select all programs, select accessories, and then select Paint. Once you follow these 4 steps, this Paint window opens up. This Paint window has different parts like the title bar, quick access toolbar, paint button, ribbon, tabs, groups, and drawing area. Now today we will learn about how to use the different tools in Paint. So using Shapes tool. So we will learn about the first tool, which is the Shapes tool. Shapes tools helps us to draw various shapes. So what is the purpose of this tool? It helps us to draw various shapes like rectangles, polygon, oval, triangles, and etc. So these are the basic shapes that we draw using the Shapes tool. And where do we find the Shapes tool? The Shapes tool is on the ribbon under the group Shapes. And it is under the Home tab. Under Home tab, you have the Shapes group in which you find all the Shapes tools. So now we will learn how to use this tool. Drawing a straight line. So how do we draw a straight line using the Shape tools in the drawing area? So for that, click on the Home tab. So first you have to click on the Home tab. So here in this Paint window you have the Home tab. You click on this Home tab. These groups will open up. Then select the Line tool in the Shapes group. Select any color from the colors. So from these Shape tools you have to select the Line tool. Okay. Under the Shapes tool, you have a Line tool. You select that tool from here and you can select any color from the colors group. And the line thickness from the size button. So you have a size button here. Here is the size button. You click on this button. There will be different sizes of the line. From here, you can select the width of your line, how thick your line should be. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Now you bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area, and as I showed you in the last video, the shape of your pointer will change. So the shape will change from an arrow to a 4 line pointer. Now press and hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. Now you have to press the left mouse button, keep it pressed and drag the mouse on the mouse pad, and it will draw a line in the drawing area. Note that a line is drawn on the screen while dragging the mouse. So when you hold the left mouse button and you don't leave it and you drag your mouse, so while you are dragging the mouse, the line will be drawn in the drawing area. And once you leave the mouse button, it will stop. Release the mouse button when you want to end the line. So once you want to end the line, you just have to leave the mouse button. There is another way of drawing using the keyboard. Let's learn about it. To draw a straight line, press and hold down the Shift key while dragging the mouse on the drawing area. So instead of the mouse button, you can also use your keyboard. You can press the Shift key, keep it pressed and drag the mouse on the drawing area, which will draw a line. Next shape, using Curve tool. So there is another tool which is known as the Curve tool in the Shapes tool, Shapes group. So how to use this? Click on the Home tab. Again, we will go to the Home tab. Click on the curve tool in the shapes group. In the shapes group, you will find the curve tool. You have to click on it. Select a color and the required thickness. So from the colors group, you will select the color, and from the size button, you will select the thickness of your line. Bring the mouse pointer on the drawing area. You will bring your mouse pointer on the drawing area. Click and drag the pointer to draw a line. You will click on the drawing area. You will keep your left mouse button clicked, pressed. Don't leave it. Drag the mouse on the drawing area and the line will be drawn. Move the pointer to the point where you want to add a curve. Now once you have drawn the line, you will leave the left mouse button. Now you will bring your mouse pointer to the place where you want to curve the line. If you want to curve the line like this, you will put your mouse pointer here. Click and drag the line to draw a curve. You will click here and drag your mouse to make a curve. A curve can be modified only 2 times. So you can modify the curve line only 2 times. Right? Once you click here, the line will curve. If you want to modify the curve, you can click one more time, but not after 2 times. Drawing a rectangle. Now how to draw a rectangle on the drawing area? Click on the home tab. Again, we will go to the home tab. Click on the rectangle tool in the shapes group. Now from here, we will select the rectangle tool. Select the blue color from the colors group. You have a colors group. You can select any color from there. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Bring your mouse pointer to the drawing area. The pointer changes into a plus sign. As I told you before, the pointer will change to a plus sign. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse to draw a rectangle. Again, you have to follow the same procedure. You have to press the left mouse button. Keep it pressed. Don't leave it and drag your mouse. Once you drag your mouse, you will see a rectangle drawn on the drawing area. Release the mouse button when a rectangle is made. Once your rectangle is done, you can leave the left mouse button and the rectangle will be drawn on the drawing area. Drawing a circle. Now same procedure to draw a circle, but we just have to select the oval tool here. Or the entire process remains the same, but we have to select the oval tool. So let's read out. Click on the home tab. Again go to the home tab. Select the oval tool from the shapes group and the color of your choice from the colors group. So you will come to the shapes group and you'll select the oval tool. And you can select the color of your choice. Click on the size button. Select the width of the selected tool. You can click on the size button and select the width of the tool of the line. Move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. You bring the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw a circle. You have to press the left mouse button, keep it pressed, drag your mouse on the drawing area and the circle will be drawn. Once you want to end it, just leave the left mouse button click and it will draw a circle on the drawing area. Using the polygon tool. So now we will learn how to use the polygon tool. Select the polygon tool from the shapes group. So this is how this tool looks like. Select the thickness of the line by clicking on the size button. So you can select the thickness of your line using the size button. Where do we have the size button? Here. It looks like this. Select red color from the colors group. You can select red or you can select any other color of your choice. Draw a line AB by clicking and dragging the mouse from point A and releasing the button at point B. So you can click here drag your mouse till point B and leave the mouse button. Then move the pointer to point C and click once. The line BC will be drawn. And once you come to the next place, you click here once and this line will automatically draw. So this you have to drag and draw and this will automatically draw. So this is how you use a polygon tool. Using this tool you can create a star. Bring the mouse pointer to point D and click once. Further click and left mouse button at point E. Now once you click on point D, this line will automatically draw. Right? And then you can press your left mouse button and bring it till point E. So this line will draw. Now you come back to point A and double click at the final point. Here you double click and this whole star will be drawn and the line will end. So when you use a polygon tool, the lines end, the drawing end when you do a double click at the final point to close the shape. So this you have to remember. So the next thing is fill with color tool. This is the next tool we will learn about. So using this tool you can, as the name tells you, fill with color. You can fill your shape with color. To fill the star shape with yellow color, follow these steps. So we have created a star using the polygon tool here. Now we want to fill color in this star. That we will use using a fill with colors tool. How do we do that? Select the fill with colors tool. Now select the yellow color from the colors group. So from the tools group, you will select the fill with color tool and then you select the color of your choice. Bring the mouse pointer to the star base and click once. So wherever you want to fill the color, you bring this tool here and then you click once. So this place will be filled with color. The star shape will be filled with yellow color. So this is how you use a fill with color tool. Now we will learn how to use the foreground color and the background color. Foreground color is color that you want to fill in your shapes. Click the color 1 button. Now you have to click on the color 1 button. So you will find two buttons there. One is color 1 and the other is color 2. So color 1 is for foreground, color 2 is for background. So click on color 1, click here, select this color 1. Now click on the red color in the colors group which you want as the foreground color. Now you can click on the red color. Right? Now select the fill with color tool. Now you go to the tools group, select the fill with color tool and fill the object with that color. So any object, any shape that you have created, you can fill with that color. But if you have selected color 2, it will not fill the shape with that color. So color 1 is for foreground. Selecting the background color. Now if I want to change the background color, the default background color is white. Click on color 2. So here you have the color 2 button. You click on this color 2 button. Then click on the yellow color in the colors group and select it as the background color. Once you have selected color 2, go to the colors group, select any color from here which will become your background color. Now select the fill with color tool. Again you will go to the tools tab, tools group and select the fill with color tool and right click on the background part of the screen and you do a right click. Click the right button of your mouse on the background, on the drawing area, and this background will be filled with that color which you have selected. So children, I want you all to read this chapter again and try to make these shapes and fill these shapes with different colors. And don't use only the straight line or the pencil tool. Use the different shapes tools to create all these pictures.